7:11. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I noticed the solar flux index has been around 73 for the past couple of days. So I came down here in my workshop. I'm using my RSP DX SDR, and right now I'm connected to my loop antenna, my mega loop, and got lots of signals booming in here. So I thought, well, let me do a little recording and see what we can hear. So here we are. This is Radio Martini at 6.030. It is 7:10 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. And let me turn this back on for a few minutes, seconds, whatever.
Reunirse con él. Elliot Evans, representante especial para Venezuela del Departamento de Estado norteamericano, consideró razonable la participación del gobierno de Noruega en una negociación.
So as you can hear it and see, it is booming in. And there's a bunch of other signals. I don't know what this monster is here. Let's try it. Turn the audio back on. .890. I'm assuming that is the Preacher Man station in Tennessee. I'm thinking that's what it is. Another booming signal. See what this one is? This might be data. Unmute it.
That those things that
No.
are lifted from that Old Testament stream and gain eternal life,
Oh.
they did it not because of their ordinance performance, righteous actions, but rather it's credited back to them for faith because of the perfection of.
That's definitely the Preacher Man station, 5.9835. Again, I believe in the Tennessee area. Now, one thing I like to use SDR console, and the reason I like it, and I'll show you in a minute, but I tried it this morning and it's distorted. The audio is distorted for some reason. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, the reason I like this program, one of the reasons, is this memory bank or frequency database it has down here. Let's go ahead and start that radio. See, it's distorted. Not sure why. Let's go up to 6 megahertz. No, that's okay. Yeah, that's very good. I'm a little off frequency, so let's tune it back down. Boom. Did you see this light up? Let me mute this. Did you see when I changed the frequency, it got it on 6.03 exactly? This frequency database got highlighted. So it is detecting the frequency that I've tuned to and highlighting in this database what possible stations are on this frequency. So we got 1, 2, 3, China radio. We can go down. Another China radio. There's Radio Martini. And it tells you what they should be broadcasting in what language. And it says Spanish. That sounds like Spanish. Now, what was the other one that I had what sounded like the Preacher Man? I think it was higher up here. Let's zoom out. Keep going. was it 6.5? Or was it back here? Let's try 6.5. Unmute it. Tune it in. No. Now let's try this one here. No, maybe this one. You can see there's a lot of stuff to listen to. That's way up at 7.3. I know it was 6.5 something. Now we are on antenna A. Where on the other, mute this. When we were using SDR Uno, we were on antenna B, which is the loop antenna. Now we're on antenna A, which is right now as my vertical, 31-foot vertical antenna selected. So let's go to B. Go to B. We've got the bias on, and 6.5 right there. We got something. It was there before. We unmuted. Where is he? Can't quite get him tuned in. Not sure why I can't tune him in. But it should be right there. Sideband? There we go.
Tropical storm conditions within the watch area.
Okay.
Generally within 48 hours. Hurricane center located near 20.9 north, 73.3 west. At 31/09.
And there it is down here.
Position accurate within 30
U.S. Coast Guard, Chesapeake Bay, or
toward the northwest. Or 30
several other ones.
at 15 knots, estimated minimum central pressure 990 millibars, maximum sustained. Wind 70 knots, shift up to 85 knots. 64. So
that's the weather report that sent out for ships at sea mainly, and I assume that is Chesapeake Bay up in the New England area, I'm thinking, at 6.501. So look at all these signals. Oh, I just hope that we finally broke out of the toilet as far as the solar flux index, and things will start getting better now instead of just this little bump in the road. Like I said, I checked last couple of days, solar flux index has been like 71, 72, 73, and it looks like things are improving. Now whether they'll stay, I don't know. But anyway, get your shortwave radios out right now. As soon as you view this video and see what you can receive. Again, it's 7:15 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida, and I'm getting a bunch of signals. Again, I'm using my RSP DX SDR connected to a mega loop antenna with the amplifier turned off. That's the situation. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.